ASIF, we are right now at a global company, at global level. So ASIF encourages us or supports us to become a global company. Santosh Thorat we are residing in the west part of India. And we started, first of all, initially with the different parameters. Like Savira is doing different projects in terms of material handling, in terms of like solution providing, in terms of consulting as well. I can say consulting in the sense of like to have how to the parameters in terms of designing warehouse, in terms of designing your production layouts and all. Yes, if I choose when I think 4 years back I was in Paris for one of the exhibition. I found ASIF was also part of that exhibit over there. Safety is now critical or maybe the necessity of the future. Maybe 3.5 years before we started to deal with ASIF product line. Initially for the 1 year we were just struggling to get some client inquiries, client understanding, marketing and a lot of things. And unfortunately, in between COVID came 2.5 years. It's a challenge for all of us to deal with the client in personal level. We are even right now targeting abroad, like Sri Lanka. We are targeting Bangladesh as well. So we are again moving outside the India as well. In India, I'll tell you, safety was not a priority at earlier stages. But over the period of time, people are much more worried about their safety of their assets as well as their human lives. To deal with the clients, to approach with the clients with ASIF product line is a challenge because it's a completely new concept for those guys. That we are offering a plastic or polymer. It's first of all the word itself. It's a polymer can be undigestible for those guys. So that is the biggest challenge I can say initially. It's a new concept for the Indian market. I can't imagine the future of the ASIF because it's unimaginable. It's a miracle basically when you deal with ASIF product line. So ASIF has a very bright future basically.